Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Kuku Bird Mount in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This is at the center boss area in the Bloodsteel camp at the southest part of the Demonis region. You need to liberate this camp the first time you get here, which is also part of a faction quest that you'll encounter early on. What you'll want to do is climb this tower on the right where the boss of the camp appears. At the very top, there will be a secret rotating wall that you can enter. Place yourself on this wall, hold the resist, and then do a force palm. This should force you into the room inside. Here, you'll find a Kuku book and a Kuku egg. Take both of these and gain the knowledge of the book as it is required before we can hatch the egg. The next thing we need to do is to go to a nesting area to hatch this egg. For the nesting area, head to this side of the map. This is just to the right of the Bloodsteel camp, still in the Demonis region. If you go to this place, you'll see the nesting area. There will be a giant nest at the center of this spot, as you can see here. It also appears in your minimap as a nest icon. Now open your inventory and take out the Kuku egg that we just got. Then drop it on this nest. It takes about 5 minutes, but all you need to do now is wait for the egg to hatch. It will start flashing aggressively, which is the sign that you can approach the egg and hatch it. Once this egg hatches, you now have your very own Kuku Bird Mount for traversing Piewell. I like this mount a lot since it can glide and leap, which is extremely used for traversal. It also reminds me of the chocobos from Final Fantasy. And that's how to get Kuku Bird Mount in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.